Good morning, guys. Today is Bonfire. Well, it's not Bonfire Night. This is really loud. Hold on. Oh, but we are going to watch fireworks tonight. It's Albert's first fireworks. He's got some little ear defenders and he looks so funny. But yeah, so today we're chilling at home for a little bit. Then I've got to go to my nan's to watch my little cousin while my auntie gets her hair done. Then we're gonna come back here, get packed, like get Albie's bag packed, etc. I might do my makeup, not sure, depends how Albie is. And then we're gonna go watch the fireworks, hopefully get a cute family photo, but it's not saying that we will, to be honest. But I'm hoping we do. Here's Albie. Oh, you made the camera blurry. You got boogers. You got boogers in your nose. He's playing with this toy. He's absolutely obsessed with this toy recently. You like it? Say hello. Hello, Mama. He's looking at the camera now. I need to put a bib on him. So yeah, it's a pretty chill day. But tonight is going to be hectic. So I am dreading it a little bit, I'm not going to lie. Whoa. But I'll keep you guys updated. What are you doing? Who's that?
Stop. You're getting poo all over me. It is so difficult.
I'm trying so hard to help him to get better at tummy time because he hates it. Do you hate tummy time? Yes, you do. You don't like it? No. Say mama. Mama.
Hello? No, I'm coming now. She just peed all over me. I'm going to be late. I'm getting so heavy.
He loves it. He's still really lazy when it comes to tummy time though. Yay!
Love you, bye.
I've not really got much now. So of this I have, but nothing else.
Water's watered down, and this town's lost its faith. Our colors will fade eventually, so if our time is running out, day after day, we'll make the mundane our masterpiece. Oh my love, I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. I want you laying me down to the dead and buried on the edge of your life, staying drunk on the vibe. I'm sorry I'm here for someone else. It's good good to see your face, and I really hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. I'm sorry I'm here for someone else. I wish that I could stay and talk at the bar all by myself, but I'm here for someone else. I'm sorry I'm here for someone else, but it's good to see your face, and I really hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well.
Videoing on my phone right now. Last night was really good. I didn't really get much content because it was so busy and I didn't have my camera. Oh, I'm so tired. Albie likes to wake us up at the crack of dawn. I'll see you guys in the next video.